Okay. Okay, we were discussing. Okay, any questions on the homework anybody has? Any questions on the homework anybody has? Guys, any questions in the homework? Hi, all of you are in there? Oh, guys, are all of you in there? See, I want videos to come on, please. That's why I'm asking. Manav, yeah, yeah. Sit. 1 second, guys. Mm. Okay, I'm hoping you did not have any questions on the homework. Where are we? So we finished circles. Oh, that's all we finished. Did I not post homework? Nobody asked.
You
Did you
did.
ask? Sorry. I didn't respond.
You did, right? Didn't you? That like 2D solids.
That's what I thought. Oh yeah. You know what? You for geometry class, there is one another class that started in summer. I've been assigning there as well as here. Every time will do a mistake and then assign it to the correct one when somebody asks. So I'm so getting confused. Yeah, yeah. In that class, I did not assign this time. Every time I do it wrongly and then assign it to the right class. That's why I got confused again. Okay. 2D solids. Okay. So we did 3 and 4, right? Amanya, what are they doing in school for you?
We have our unit test on like polygons and like the areas and all of that in 2 days.
Is it easy?
Kind of. Like I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's for the most part it's easy.
Okay. Okay. Mana, what unit are you in?
I'm learning. We just finished circles.
Oh, I see. So now where are they coming to?
I don't know what they're doing right now.
Oh, okay. Okay. How about this? Okay, these are a little okay. Anyway, these are a part of polygons. So let's see this one. How about there is a triangle and an inscribed circle of radius 4 feet. There is a triangle and an inscribed circle. Okay. So let me go ahead. You can use calculators today. There is a triangle and an inscribed circle of radius 4 feet. Now, I would like you to find the area of this triangle. Which triangle? The shaded part. Let's see. I would like you to find the area of the shaded part. Let's see, guys. It's a little interesting though. Let's see. Can I say that the area, can I say that this is an equilateral triangle? Can I say that this is an equilateral triangle? This is an equilateral triangle. What do you all think? Meaning, can we do it together? This is a regular polygon. Regular polygon means it's an equilateral triangle. So, Chetan, have you covered this in school? Similar questions?
I'm not sure what
There is a regular polygon. The regular polygon is an equilateral triangle. Inside that, I have an inscribed circle with radius 4 feet. Okay. The area inside the triangle that's outside of the circle is shaded. Find the shaded region area. Shall we try
No.
together or you want to try, guys? You have to let me know. Are you all trying or you want me to try? Guys, without answer, I can't proceed as well.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I will do it. Yes.
Wait, I put my answer.
You put your answer. Okay. 1 second. Sorry. I've closed everything, chat window, everything. Okay. I don't know the answer. Oh, wow. Good job. Do you want to explain, Navneet?
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Navneet. So, what did you do?
So the perimeter is 1/2 apothem times perimeter, right?
Yeah. There's a, okay.
So first, I connected the center of the circle to one of the vertices.
Okay, good. Let me see. Okay, let me follow you. Okay. You connected this. Okay, and then
So the angle to the to the vertex, that the angle is 30.
This angle is 30. Then this is 90. So this becomes a 60, right?
Yeah.
30,
So
90 triangle.
so then the one of the leg is 4√3.
One of the leg is 4√3. Okay. You used a 30, 60, 90 triangle, right?
Yeah.
Good job. Then
That means the perimeter is 24√3.
okay, let me quickly do 4√3. So this should be 8√3. This should be 8√3. Go ahead.
And then I plugged it into the perimeter formula, and then it is like 1/2 times 4 times 24√3.
1/2 time. Oh, then you're finding the area of the triangle.
Yeah.
Area of the triangle is what? Half times base times h, right?
Yeah.
What is the height you found out?
Wait a second.
Oh, you did half times perimeter times apothem, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's do that. That's better, right? Because we have everything. We don't want to be finding any new ones. Half BH may not work here because you don't know you don't know the height, but you can find the height. You don't need to. So
Yeah.
let's go. Area of the triangle is half times perimeter times apothem. Half times perimeter times apothem is 4. Now, that being the case, this one is 48√3 I got. Area of the triangle. Area of the circle is what?
The area of the circle is pi times 4 square, which is 16 pi.
Now, shaded area is what?
And then I did 48√3 minus 16 pi, which
Yeah,
I
which
got
is
32.9.
square units. Any questions, guys? Any questions here, Manya? Were you able to follow, Ma?
Yeah.
Manav, were you able to follow?
Yeah.
Ma, we will be solving complex problems through today for sure. Okay, let's see. Problems all will be like this. Let's try this one. Chetan, were you able to follow parts of it?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. Now, again, the polygon is a regular polygon. That means whatever polygon I draw, it has all the sides equal. I have a square. Let me quickly understand what to tell you. Hold on. Which is 8 inches. Okay, let's do this problem. Area of I don't want the area of a segment. Okay. Okay, let's do this one. Yeah, these are all interesting problems. Let's do this one. This one is interesting. How about this? I don't know. Let's see this one. What is the answer for this one? This one is find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. You can take it as a regular polygon. Find the area of the shaded region. You can take this as a regular polygon. Can we try or you want me to try? Please tell me. Anything is okay. And or we can do it in parallel. Yeah, Manu, that's right. So now, can I go ahead and say something about this? You have to find the shaded area. You can't find the shaded area. First of all, you have to find the circle area, and then you need to subtract the area of the, what is that? Pentagon, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, pentagon. Then how many, if you subtract it, then you'll get 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5 times 2. Any questions, guys? Any questions here?
No.
Okay, so area of the circle. See, clearly 4 is the radius. Area of the circle is 16 pi. Area of the pentagon is what? That you need to find, guys. I really would like you to find. Can we try? So area of the pentagon would be, how to find out the area of the pentagon? If it is a regular pentagon, right, all are equilateral triangles. You need to know that. If all are equilateral triangles, then this is an angle bisector. This is 90 degree. Okay. This is, if they're all
45.
yeah. So this is 30 degree. So one of them, you know the hypotenuse. 30, 60, 90 triangle. Chetan, I'm going to skip this for you. 30, 60, 90 triangle. The hypotenuse is 4. This would be 1 is to root 3 is to 2, right? So now 2x is 4. X will be equal to basically 2. So what do I do? X will be equal to 2 means the other sides, what do I do? Root 3x, right? 2 root 3, this is 2. Now, the side opposite to 30 is the least. That's 2. So this one, oh, it's an equilateral triangle. Okay. So it is 4. So area of the pentagon is what? Half times perimeter times apothem. You need to find out the apothem side, right? The side opposite to 60 degree. That's 2 root 3. That being the case, that's the apothem. Half perimeter is 4 times 5, right? Yeah, go ahead. Now I'm getting the answer as 20 root 3. I would like to hear, this is only for area of pentagon. Now you need to put this, plug this into the formula and find out the answer. Can we try? I can do it myself, but the next time then I'll give the problem to you. Area of circle 16 pi minus 20 root 3 divided by 5 times 2. Or I can write it out as 16 pi minus 20 root 3 times 2 by 5 is what? 0.4. Can we put it into the calculator? 16 pi. Oh, I should have put a parenthesis. Hold on. 16 pi minus 20 root 3. 16 pi minus 20 times square root 3. Then what? Times 0.4. What did you all get? Something feels very wrong. 4. Okay. 4 equilateral triangle. Okay. Did we do it correctly? Area of the circle is 16 pi. You can all do it as well. The concept is clear. But computations we have to see. Area of the pentagon is half times perimeter times apothem I need to calculate. So apothem is root 3x is 2 root 3, correct? That will be 20 root 3. So 16 pi minus 20 root 3 times 0.4. What did you guys get? Can you one of you do and let me know? Or I'm seeing the wrong key. Yeah, I am seeing the wrong key though. What did you guys get?
I got like
Three
6.25.
What is it?
I got 6.25.
What did I get? Ah, yes, I'm also getting that. That seems incorrect though. One another thing, what I am, that seems incorrect. Okay, let's see. So this one is 360. 360 by 5 is what? I think I did that incorrectly. 360, yeah, see, 360 by 5. It is not a 30, 60, 90, I feel. 5 sevens are 35 to see. Yeah, that's the deal there. Okay. One thing here, guys. I see the problem. This one is a common problem. See, here it's a pentagon, right? Not a hexagon. So do you think this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle? Do you think the triangles are equilateral? This is a very common mistake everybody does. And there is
Oh,
a
I think it's
marked...
supposed to be like 54 or 26.
Which one?
It's not, I don't think it's 3060. That's for hexagon.
Exactly. For a hexagon, see, this is a common problem. Honestly, in the geometry mock test, there is a problem like this with a pentagon, and everybody does it as a hexagon. When they do it, when the geometry mock test they take it as a hexagon, meaning they take it as a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So please be careful. Again, I also did the same thing here. That was the mistake. If it was a hexagon, right? If it was a hexagon, then the central angle, see central angle, why it became a 360? See, without that, I just took it as 360. That was the problem. So this is 360 degrees, right? So there are 6 triangles. So what happens? 360 divided by 6 is what? 60 degree. Now, it's an equilateral triangle. So when you angle bisect it, this becomes 30, this becomes 90, this becomes 60. That makes sense. Whereas if you have a pentagon, you cannot do that. Why? Because 360 divided by 5. When you divide 360 by 5, it's 72 degrees. So when you split it into 2, that will be 36 degrees. Am I making sense? So the workout is completely incorrect, honestly. So here I'm going to change it. Manya, did you understand where was the mistake? Where I made?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, I'll give you a heads up. In geometry mock test, there is a problem. And usually every time we take it as that 30, 60, 90. If it is a pentagon, don't take it. Okay. So this is 72 degrees. When I angle bisect it, right, it becomes 36 degrees. So it cannot be taken as a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So having said that, this is 4, right? The radius is 4, right? Meaning, apothem is, it's not the apothem. The equilateral, the triangle side of each triangle, the side is 4, right? Now, how to find out this side, guys? Who can tell me how to find out the side? I need that side, otherwise I can't find the perimeter.
Sine.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sine.
Yep, sine, good job. So now, sine 35 will be equal to, I'll keep this side as A.
So sine 35 times 4 equals the basis.
Yep, correct. A will be equal to 4 sine 35. Very nice. Please, one of you check and tell me, guys, what is A equal to 4 sine 35? And then I should also get the apothem, right? Apothem as well I have to find. That is cos 37, amma. 37, right? 1 minute, wait. Yeah, 30, 36. 72 divided by 2, 36. Can one of you tell me what is 4 sine 36?
It's 2.35.
2.35, and then that is 2.35 means the side of the pentagon is what? Side of the pentagon is 2.35 times 2, right? Which is
4.7.
0.7. Okay, now that will get me the perimeter. But then what is the apothem? Cos 36 will be equal to apothem by 4, right? Yep, apothem by 4. So apothem will be equal to 4 cos 36. What is the answer?
3.24.
3.24. Now, what is the area of the pentagon? Area of the pentagon will be half times perimeter times apothem. Can one of you do this and tell me what is the answer? Half times 0.5, 4.7, 5, 3.24. Now I'll plug it in here. This is 16 pi minus, please one of you tell guys, otherwise I'll have to do it in the calculator.
I think it's 39.95.
39.95. Can you subtract that from 16 pi, ma? Subtract that from 16 pi. I'm glad I took this problem today. 16 pi minus 39.9, I'll take it as 40. What do you get? You want me to do? Guys, one of you do and tell me, guys. 16 pi minus 39.95. Now I think we are right. What did you get? What did you guys get? 16 pi minus 39.9. Guys, are we all on the same page or you have lost track? Shrikar, you tell me, Shrikar.
I'm getting it.
Aditi, you're with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't want you to feel lost. So area of the circle is 16 pi. Area of the pentagon is 39.95 is what they said. Times 2 divided by 5. This works out to be 4 point something. I want to know what is the answer.
4.9.
Yes, 4.9, correct. That's it. That's the right answer. 4.9 square units. Can I give you one similar problem? This is very likely to come. Problems like this. Can I move on? Okay. Let me go ahead with another problem. Chetan, I'll tell you I'll describe this to you. Okay. So we have a circle. Chetan, are you there? Okay.
Can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah, we can hear you. There is a circle and a square is inscribed in the circle. The circle's radius is 4. Okay. The part that's outside the square but inside the circle, that is shaded. One of the 4 parts is shaded. We have to find the shaded region area. Chetan, were you able to make out?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, forgot the class. Mm-hmm. Find the shaded region area. Can I do or you want to do, guys? You can message me if you want to me to do. Dia, we are working out problems on regular polygon areas and stuff. We are doing complex problems. The last
I have a
problem.
question.
What the question is find the shaded region area.
I have a question. Is the diameter of the circle equivalent to the diagonal part of the square inscribed
Correct.
into it?
Correct. Very nice, Chetan. Yes. That is approximate. That is 8, right?
Yeah, 8.
Correct. So one of the 4 segments are shaded. Am I making sense?
Hmm.
Okay. Oh, wow, Samantha, very nice. Is it easy? I don't know. I really don't know. How did you find the side of the square? Guys, I'm thinking you are all doing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Aditi, are you able to do, ma?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
The composite areas can also be challenging, the next subunit. The more the problems we solve, then only it will become easy. We'll solve, guys. We'll solve 2, 3 more problems in this. Let's see. The pentagon is a little tricky. Every year I see that. Okay, somehow, somewhere, somebody, either student
Miss
messes or
Priya,
go ahead.
I got a decimal. What do I round it to?
Yeah. Round it to the nearest 10th. Samantha, you want to explain maybe? Or you should I? Yeah, Navneet, it's a little over. But that's if you did you round it to the nearest 10th? A
Yeah.
little over, meaning 1 decimal place less. Yeah,
Okay.
Shikar, that's right. Navneet, for some reason it's 0.6, not 7.
Wait, Auntie, do I explain or no?
Yeah, you can go to Chetan, did you get the answer?
I'm not sure how to figure out for that particular side
How
though.
much should I round it to answer?
To the nearest 10th. Akash, did you get the answer? Manya?
I'm almost.
Aditi. Manav correct. Shrikar correct. Srinita, where are we, ma?
I'm just stuck on finding the side length of the square.
square. You tell me what to do. There is an easy. Okay, Samantha, you want to go ahead or shall I go ahead? What do you want me to
I
do?
can go ahead.
Go ahead.
So the diameter of the circle is twice the radius. So then 2 times 4 equals 8. So then the diameter of the circle is 8. And then using that, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the side. So
Okay,
then
see, I thought about it differently. Go ahead.
so then like if the side length is s, s squared plus s squared equals 8 squared. So then 2s squared equals 8 squared.
Mm-hmm.
2s squared equals 64. So then s squared equals 64 over 2. S squared equals 32. And then s equals 4 root 2. So then the area of the square is 4 root 2 squared. So then 16 times 2, and that's 32. And then using pi r squared, the area of the circle is roughly like 50.27. So then 50.27 minus 32 divided by 4 gave 4.6.
Area of circle minus area of square divided by 4, right?
Yeah.
Area of circle 15.27 minus 32 divided by 4 will be equal to 4.6 approximately square units. You know how I thought about it? Let me as well tell so that we can discuss. Here, see, this one is a 90-degree angle which is bisected. So it is 45. So naturally, this 90, basically at the center, right, you have 360 degrees. Each is 90 degree, meaning 360 divide, this is 90, right? So basically that's also bisected. So 45, 45, 90 triangle. 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to root 2, right? So if it is 1 is to 1 is to root 2, 4 is root 2. So 4 will be equal to root 2x. So x will be equal to 4 by root 2, or it can be 4 root 2 by 2, which is 2 root 2. So from this I can understand this is 2 root 2. One side will become what? One side is 4 root 2. So that way, if one of the sides is 4 root 2, I did not use Pythagorean theorem. I used 45, 45, 90 triangle to find this side length and then multiply by 2. So that becomes 4 root 2 for the square. Then everything follows suit. Same thing like this. But you can either use a 45, 45, 90 triangle, or you can use Pythagorean theorem, whichever is easy for you. Manya, are you following?
Yeah, I also sent my answer.
Oh, you sent Rama. Yeah, just now. Okay. How about you, Chetan? Did you get it?
Yeah, but how
Where?
did you find the? Okay, so when you're adding, so for example, I also thought of dividing it into two, or at least dividing the square so I can get one right triangle.
Uh-huh.
But I wasn't sure how you'd find, like, for example, it's a square, right? So how would you, okay, so the hypotenuse of the right triangle is 8, and
Correct.
how would you find the two legs? Like 8 squared is 64, so something squared plus something squared equals 64.
Correct. That something is the same, right? Because it's a square. X square plus x square.
So wait. Then square root 32 is the side of the square.
Yeah. Yeah. Side is square root of 32. Correct.
And then then I got the rest. Like I knew what to do, but just wasn't sure how to get that part. Like I need to find that area and subtract it, and then divide by 4
4.
to get
Correct.
that part.
Correct. But how do you find the area of the square? Because see, it's a square, right? Take the side of the square as x. X square plus x square equal to 8 square. So 2x square equal to 64. X square, x is the side of the square. So x square will be equal to 32. S will be equal to square root of 32. Make sense? Chetan, we are not able to hear you.
Hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understood how to get it.
Okay, good. We'll move on. Okay, how about this, guys? You're going to do this, okay? In your calculators, okay? At least one problem, I want everybody to get it correctly. Find the shaded area. Interesting. Again, it's a complicated problem only. Find the shaded area. Chetan, it's a little tricky again. There is a pentagon and a circle inscribed in it. The radius of the circle is 21. The part of the pentagon that's outside the circle is shaded. Find the shaded region if this is a regular pentagon. Did I
So,
correctly?
so is the entire shaded region outside of it what we have to shaded, or is it just one corner or one fifth?
There are 5 pieces shaded, meaning a circle is inscribed inside a pentagon. So the part of the pentagon that's outside the circle is shaded. That means 5 different segments, 5 different small triangle-like structures are shaded. The radius of the circle is 21. Did I make it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, this is definitely harder. Okay, and in the last weeks, I don't know if everybody did the homework. I wanted to check on that and didn't want to pick you right off. So that one, there might be very complicated problems that they can give. Last week's homework and this one, this week's. Particularly when it involves pentagons. Because you cannot form 30, 60, 90 triangles. Hexagon, yes, you can form 30, 60, 90 triangle. Here, they won't be 30, 60, 90 triangles. If you want me to do, yeah, I have to get a message from each whoever needs it. Otherwise, I'm thinking you're doing it. Okay, you're all doing okay. If it's too overwhelming, I'll do it on the board, guys. I know I have not covered circle equations, right? That's something it's in my mind, but we will do it after the break. Can I help? Wow, Navneet, that's correct.
That's Priya.
Yes.
The line going through it, would it be the diagonal, right?
Go ahead.
The line going through the pentagon, that would be a diagonal, right?
The line going through the
Like half of one, like half of one.
yeah, that's the apothem, right, Shrikar?
Right, hold on.
Auntie, what's the formula for finding the area of the polygon again? Half apothem times.
I think in total half apothem times perimeter is area of the pentagon.
Okay.
Auntie, can I go to the restroom?
Yeah, please. Navni, that's right. Should I go ahead and do it on the board, guys? Not really, Akash. Shrikar, your answer is almost there, but a little off. Diya, your answer is a little off. Is 10-15 off. Shrikar, your answer is almost there. It's missing by 1 point. I don't know why. Okay, don't round off, guys. Don't round off at the start. Akash, your answer is way off. Shall we discuss, guys? Navneet, do you want to explain or can I go ahead and explain? Chetan, where are you stuck?
So again, here I thought of finding the area of the circle, which I did. I think it's 131.88. And then I wanted to subtract that from the area of the pentagon, but when you said perimeter times half apothem, I knew it was like 21 divided by 2 times the perimeter, but I'm not sure how to find the perimeter first. So
Yeah, perimeter is what I'm also stuck on. Wait. So how to find the perimeter? Here, apothem is given. When you think about it, the central angle of the pentagon, right? The central angle of the pentagon is meaning center. Angle around the center is 360. 360 divided by 5 was 72. Remember? So 72 is bisected 37. Now with that 37, how to find the side of the apothem? I can say tan 37 will be equal to A by 21. Am I making sense? The A side is half of the side of the pentagon. A will be equal to 21 tan 37. Did you all get that? Manya, are you able to follow?
Yeah, I'm almost done with the problem.
Okay, if you're doing great. Okay, one of you tell me what is 21 tan 37, please, guys.
It's 21, 10, 36, right?
36. Okay, every time I'm doing that mistake. Yeah, 72 divided by 2, right? Yeah, 36. Correct. Go ahead. Now, hmm.
I had a question.
Yeah,
So I did tan 54 equals 21 over A. So then I did 21 over tan 54. I think it's slightly different. 36.
It can't be, right? Okay, you had 54, huh?
Wait, I think it's supposed to be 26. No.
No, 54 is correct. See, if you're using that, then tan 54 will be equal to 21 by A. A will be equal to 21 divided by tan 54. Are you putting it in degree mode? Check.
Yeah, it isn't.
Okay,
Yes.
otherwise A equal to 21 tan 36. Either of this should give you the same answer. Navneet, what was the answer for A?
I think it's like 126.8.
126.8, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Sorry,
link
162.8. 162.
162.8.
Yeah.
Sweet, can I go?
That doesn't seem so much right to me, but I can check. Hey, I'll check, guys. 21 tan 36, right?
I got 15.26.
That seems right. Okay.
26.
15.26, huh? So that multiplied by 2 will be equal to the side. A times 2 will be equal to side of the pentagon. That's what is going to give me the perimeter, right?
Is my units are correct?
1 minute, ma. So Chetan, tell me.
I'm just gonna go to the restrooms.
Yeah. Side of the pentagon will be 15.26 times 2, which will be 30.52. So 30.52. Now the perimeter would be 30.52 times 5. Then times 21 minus pi 21 squared. So that should get you to, you all do and tell me. Akash, that doesn't seem still correct, Amma. 30.52. Let me as well. So 30.52 times 5 times 0.5 times 21. 21 minus 5 times 21 times 21. Yep. Approximately that will be equal to round to the nearest integer is even. For me, it's fine. 216. Oh wow, Manya, good job, Manya. That many square units. Dia, where was the problem, Dia? This part is honestly
Not sure.
complicated, guys. This part in last week's homework, huh?
I think I just rounded it, that's why.
Throughout. But it can't be that much off, ma. If you rounded it right, it can be 1 or 2 off.
Yeah, okay.
No, if you have understood the concept, I am good.
Yeah, I understood when you explained it.
Shall we move on? Srinita, are you with me?
Yeah.
Samantha, are you with me in this?
Yeah.
Okay. Chetan, are you back?
Yes.
Okay. Srinita, Samantha, okay, Manya, Manu, okay. Aditi, where are you?
Oh, I did it. I did it.
Did it? You got the answer? What's the answer?
Yeah. It's like 20, no, not 21, 200, like 16 something.
What did you get for A? What was A value, ma?
For the pentagon?
Yeah.
Wasn't it like 152? No, that's the perimeter, my bad. It's like 216, right?
Perimeter, huh?
No, the perimeter is 152.5, like 5 something.
Okay. Okay, let's move on. Makes sense to me. Okay, let's go ahead and try one more, maybe. One more of this. Lot complicated, right? Let's see. How about this? Actually, we did. This one is good. How about this? I would like you to find the area of the shaded region. I would like you to find the area of the shaded region. Let's see. Okay, first, let me give you the easy one. Find out the area of the shaded region. Find out the area of the shaded region. For Chetan, I can tell you this problem. There is a circle. Oh, I don't know how to describe this. There is a circle and a triangle inside. That triangle base is diameter. The triangle's vertex, the other vertex, right? The base or the vertex opposite to the base is on the circle. Am I making sense, Chetan? Am I telling it clearly?
Yeah.
Uh, uh, the the triangle makes 30-degree angle on the right side. Triangle has 3 angles, right? So on the right side, where the diameter touches the circle, right? It's making an angle of 30 degrees. And the opposite side to that 30-degree, right, of that triangle is 5. Now, the circle is shaded. Which part of the circle is shaded? That's not a part of the triangle. The part of the circle that's not, that's the part of the circle that's not a part of the triangle is shaded. Find the shaded region. Oh, Mano, you got the answer? Nice.
Wait, is it correct?
Yes. How about this? These are composite areas, not regular polygons, but these are composite areas. Mano, if since you've completed, you don't need to while away your time. There is another composite figure. These two will do in class. Rest of it you do at home. I tried to pick out the harder ones, though. Usually I pick out medium ones and make you do at home. But the pentagon was really complicated. That's why I did it in class. And don't please take it as 30, 60, 90 triangle. If you see a pentagon, you will have to divide the central angle into 5. And you will have to use trig to find out the sides. Here, if you have done question number 1, you can go to question number 2. Numbers are incorrect on the board. I will correct it. This is number 1. This is number 2. Manav, since you have gotten that right, you can move on. Navneet, that's right. Can you move on to number 2?
My answer for the first one correct. My answer's correct.
One second, I'm going over, guys. Give me a minute. Mano, first answer is right. Navneet, first answer is right. Aditi, first answer is incorrect.
Is my second
Navneet, the
answer
second answer is correct, Navneet. Akash, both are
is
not
Priya?
matching. Manav, the second answer is correct. Manya, the first answer is correct. Okay, I'll do on the board, guys. No Dia, no Samantha. Akash, the second answer is correct, Akash. The first answer you might want to redo.
Is my first one correct now?
Yes, Akash. What was the mistake, Akash?
It was like instead of squaring the radius, I squared the diameter.
Okay. See, if these are going to be asked in open responses, just be careful in the exam. There might be one question, one complicated area question. Have you taken both of the mock tests, Akash?
For which one?
Geometry.
Which mock test?
Oh, I did not give you that. I
No.
don't remember very honestly. So did I not give you that?
No.
Okay, I'll send. I'll send definitely. I'll send to all those who are appearing in this group this weekend. Meaning after the classes get over during the break, I'll make sure I send it. Trinita, you're taking or you're not taking one next year? I don't remember what you
I'm taking it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Guys, try, guys. Send it to me. You want me to work it out on the board? I can.
Could you work it out on the board?
Sure. This is 30. Angle in a semicircle is 90. So it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle, right? So it is 1 is to root 3 is to 2 ratio, right? 1x is to root 3x is to. So the angle opposite to 30 is at 1x. So x is 5. So 5 is to root 3, 5 root 3 and then 10. So basically 10 is the biggest. So radius is 5. This side is 5 root 3. Now what should I do? Area of the circle minus area of the triangle. Since it is a right triangle, it's very easy. So pi r square is 25 pi minus area of the circle is half bh. Half bh. Now 25 root 3. Half times 25 root 3. 25 pi minus 25 pi minus 0.5 times 25 root 3. One of you please tell me the answer for this one. I have done so much, right? So please put it in the calculator and tell me the answer. Otherwise, I'll do, guys. Can one of you tell me the answers? Let me know if you want me to do further. Okay. 66, no Dias, no Shrikar. Somewhere it's off. 25 pi. The problem is I'll have to copy this every time. 25. Let me do, guys. I'll do 25 pi. For Chetan, I'm not able to do this. Let me see. Pi minus, what is that? 0.5, 25 root 3. 0.5, 25 root 3 is. With this, we'll conclude, guys. 0.5. If you get it right, you can leave. Times square
For
root.
number 2,
Yama for 1 and 2, 56.889. So this seems to be
wait,
50.
Miss Priya, can I log off?
Yama, if you get it, yes. 56.9 square units. That's the first one. Second one is
Miss Priya,
Yama.
could you check my second one?
I'll check. First one you got it right, Manya.
Yeah.
That seems I don't know. Wait, Manya, I'm checking. Dia, your second answer seemed correct, I said, right, Dia?
Oh, I thought you said it's wrong.
Second answer seemed correct. First answer, ma?
Oh,
First
the
answer,
first answer I got wrong.
yeah, first answer was what I said it is incorrect.
Mm-hmm.
Second answer is correct for Manya. Aditi, correct first. Aditi, your first answer is correct. Manya, your second answer is correct. Dia, your second answer is incorrect. First answer is correct.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
By good job, ma. Good luck.
Thank
But
you.
do the problem's previous part.
Okay.
Okay, bye. The Shrikar, your second answer is incorrect.
Did you say my second answer is correct or incorrect?
Rama, second answer is correct, Dia. First
Okay.
answer is incorrect.
Yeah, okay. I understand the first one. I did the
Yeah.
um
You did the?
sine, cosine. I did tan and tangent instead of the 30, 60, 90. I didn't realize that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, worries, as long as you get it. So
Yeah.
this one is base. Yeah, you can leave.
Okay.
Diameter is 3, right? So there are 3 circles, right? So 1
Yeah, I
point,
can do.
sure, 1.5 square times pi times 3, right? That's the 3 semicircle, right? Meaning 3 semicircle means this is the circle area. So divided by 2, meaning
You
1.5
can check
square
my
pi.
answer for the second one.
1 minute, ma, let me finish.
Okay. Yeah.
1.5 square times pi times 3 divide by 2. That is the semicircle. All the semicircle add up to this area. Okay. Then there is a triangle. That triangle base is the radius, right? So this is the semicircle's area. Okay. All the semicircles combined. Then area of the triangle is half 6 times radius is 1.5. So 3 times 1.5. Then, oh, I don't need to find the radius, right, guys? I can just find the area of the trapezoids. That's so easy. So area of the trapezoid I can find. Area of the trapezoid will be equal to 6 plus 9. That's the base. Height is 6 divided by 2. So that would be 15 times 3, 45. So area of the semicircles plus this should be equal to 55 point. The final area should be 45 plus the semicircle should be equal to 55.6. Correct, Masrinita? Square units. Any questions? Ah, that was long, guys. Done. I felt overwhelmed today with this. Any questions? Have a nice break, guys. Okay, we'll all come back after a break of 1 week. Any questions related to CBE, please send it to me anytime.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. Have a nice break.
You too.